12 months ago I quit social media. I was sick of it. The constant notifications, distractions, short form content giving me constant dopamine. I was watching my life slip away 1 second at a time. I realised we were in a war. Here was little old me just minding his own business when Google and Snapchat and Meta decided to ruin my lives. And so they hired thousands of engineers, geniuses who perfectly crafted these apps to suck me in and never let me go. Everything from the colours to the sounds to the way the little heart would float off into space when I double tapped a picture was perfectly crafted to never let me go. Then one day I did the unthinkable. I imagined a different life for myself, one without bluebirds and red dots and the validation I got from posting a picture of myself on the internet. It was kind of like that scene in The Truman Show where he crashes his boat into the sky and everything seems like it's a lie. He rethinks his entire life. Ask yourself this question. Think back over the past, say 2 days, and say, can you actually remember 5 Instagram posts that you saw? Or 2 TikToks? Or 3 Instagram Reels? Well, if you're anything like me, then the answer is probably no. You probably can't remember any of these things because they don't actually give you any value. The reason why you use them or why you use social media is because you have a perceived value from them. You think they entertain you or de-stress you or give you some sort of benefit, but when you actually look into it, when you ask yourself questions like that, you realise that the perceived value is nothing. Social media gives you a whole lot of fuck all, and the quicker you can realise that, the quicker you can escape. In this life, the primary currency that we have is attention, and the social media companies know this. You ever heard that saying, if it's free, then you're the product? Well, this is the prime example of that. Your attention is being given away to ads, to affiliate links, to building a connection with this one app. Well, the one question you've got to ask yourself is why? Would your time not be better spent learning a new skill or reading a book or working on that business? The answer is yes, really. So now the real question, the ultimate question you need to be asking yourself is, what are you going to do with all that new free time?